Hi guys, this is Tech on the Brain. Hi guys, this is Tech on the Brain here, back with another video. This is my first video after Christmas, so I hope you all had a lovely Christmas. A bit late to be saying that now, isn't it? I hope you had a lovely Christmas, okay? Now, what I got for Christmas, there's going to be a video about that very soon, but I need to show you this. So, I've been wanting to get something like this for the channel for a while, to improve editing, to improve everything like that, and I think I've got it today. Here we have the MacBook Pro, and this isn't an ordinary, well, okay, it is an ordinary MacBook Pro, but this one runs macOS 11 with the M1 chip. Now, for everyone who wants to boot camp Windows, don't worry, they're still selling Intel Core, whatever you want, Macs, running macOS 11. I just got this one because I personally like the M1 chip more. So, whole reason I'm filming this is to unbox it. So let's get it unboxed for you guys. Oh, this is already hassle-free packaging, yay. Oh, just take this and it lifts right off. Okay. Appears it's lifting right off. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, sorry about this, guys. Well, that's off. Wow. Well, here we have the 2020 MacBook Pro M1. Wow. 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 Is this real? Have I really got this? Got some product literature, I assume. Long time since I've unboxed an Apple product. Yes, product literature and stickers. Yeah. I know I said I was against Apple products, but two things. First of all, for me not liking Apple only extends to iOS. It doesn't go to iPadOS, it don't go to macOS. It's not that I don't like the hardware, it's that I do not like iOS software. This is macOS software. Okay, what else we got in here? Charging brick, which is weird. Like, not weird that